Hey, welcome to the 2021 edition of the Trial Gardens at Landscape Ontario. I'm Rodger Tschanz from the University of Guelph, and for more than a decade, Landscape Ontario has been partnering with the University of Guelph on this trial garden program. We have container trials, we have annuals in the landscape, and most recently we have a large perennial trial with over 180 entries. Why do I like the trials? Being a bit of a plant lover, I find it so much fun to receive new seed packs in the mail, new cuttings in the spring, and then grow them out. And really, it's almost like Christmas morning, if I can say that. Opening up a package, seeing a flower bloom for the first time, and seeing what it's going to look like is so much fun. And anyway, enjoy. Right now we're standing in a patch of zinnias. This zinnia comes from Zacata seed, and it's the series that they're known for, Profusion series. This particular one though won the gold medal with All America Selections Organization in the judging trials last year. And what's really unique about this Profusion red and yellow bicolor is the fact that this plant starts off with a beautiful gold petal with a nice dark red center. And then as it ages, this petal the yellow sort of turns to a pinky color, and then that dark winey red in the center lightens to a sort of a dark rose color. I'm standing beside another sunflower that blooms all season. This is Suncredible Saturn from Proven Winners. What's kind of unique about this one is the fact that we have a red or a rusty inner ring on the petals. The other thing you'll notice about this compared to Suncredible Yellow, which is right beside it, is that the stems actually have a reddish hue to them. So much darker stem compared to the green of the Suncredible Yellow. And this Suncredible Yellow was released last year. The Suncredible Saturn is new for this coming season. This is a container of a new salvia from Doom and Orange. It's called Hummingbird Falls. And while we have seen this color and this color of bloom and color of calyx before in this type of salvia, this is the first time that this is being introduced in a more compact format and sort of a semi-trailing bushy format that probably is more suitable for container applications. We're standing beside some gorgeous lantanas. This is a new series from Ball Flora plant called the Shamrock series. There are 4 colors in this series, and we have all 4 here on display. They're all looking fantastic right now. And what's unique about this is all 4 colors have very similar bloom times and growth habits. And this is sort of a medium vigor type of lantana. This is Callilophus. I think I'm saying that right. It's a sundrop. I think it's native to the Texas area. Anyway, there's 2 colors in this Ladybird series, the Sun Glow and then Lemonade on my left. Very fine foliage, very low growing, as you can see. This grows really nicely in the flower beds as well. I've just been very happy with how well and consistently this plant has bloomed throughout the season. And it seems to bloom really well, and whether I'm growing it in a container or any of the 3 ground bed trial sites that we have it in. So Ladybird series from Proven Winners, Callilophus.